So in this screencast, I'm going to show you how to basically do the following. So I'm going to enter into contributor mode here, and I'm going to just click go ahead. I want to say create a new news item. Normally this should be set to autofill, but whatever, we'll just call it news item. Scandal. Okay, next, edit content item now, finish. So let's say, what's the scandal? So there's a scandal in New York financial crimes unit, whatever. Today in breaking news, Commissioner Terry Blanchett was found, da 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 da. Okay, you get the idea. So we can just hit save, and then things will sort of, so we'll come out of contributor mode here, Control Shift 5, and of course you can make this stuff look neater yourself, but and then we'll just go to the news site, and you'll see that this one should be added here. So you can see this is you could have the same sort of thing for press releases or whatever, but it's a pretty common sort of cookbook formula. So I'm going to show you how to build this. Okay, so let's get rid of that, and let's see how we're doing. Let's close and close and close. So we're starting with a fresh content server site. So let's just create a new section, and we'll just call it news. And here we'll create a primary page, blah blah blah, and we'll just call it new or site 6 news primary page. Control C, Control V, blah blah blah, assign info. We'll create a secondary page, same thing. Let's call it secondary page, copy that, Control C, Control V, assign info. So let's create some elements here. We'll create a title element. So site 6 underscore title, element definition. Copy that down to the title, blah blah blah. That's where we'll put in our title for our news items. Whoops. Let's create a body, and this can be a WYSIWYG. And so we'll go site 6 underscore body dot element definition. Copy that over to here, blah blah blah, assign info. Let's create a dynamic list. That's for that listing that we see. And site 6 underscore news listing, element definition, Control C, assign info. Whoops, specify title, Control V, assign info. Now, the next thing that we want to do is create 2 region definitions. So we go region definition, new region definition, and we'll say site 6 underscore listing, or call it news listing region def, assign info. And let's get the news item. So that's the detail, or news detail. Call it site 6 underscore news detail underscore region def. Okay, assign info. So now we want two region templates, one for each of those. So we'll go to region templates, say new HCSB region. So let's do the list first, say OK. And so site 6 underscore news list region template. Assign info. New and this is the detail, that's right. So we'll say site 6 underscore news detail region template. Control C, Control V, assign info. Okay, now we want two placeholders, one for each of those. So placeholder definition, new placeholder definition. This is pretty boring, but the functionality we get. So news listing placeholder definition, PhD. Oh, there we go. Control C, Control V, assign info. And we want one for the news detail. Site 6 underscore news detail, placeholder definition. Okay. Now we need to map both of these. So we create placeholder definition mappings, add. So we'll call it site 6 underscore news listing placeholder definition mapping, PDM. Okay. And we're going to put this as the listing, OK. And we'll add one for the other one. So site 6 underscore news detail underscore the placeholder definition, news detail, OK. Say OK. Now let's open up these pages and let's put these placeholder definitions here. So this is the listing one, goes there. And we'll open up this one and we will put in the detail here. Detail, OK. Control S, close, go away, and Control S, save that, close that. Okay, so now let's edit some of these region templates. So let's go back to the region templates. Oh, I forgot to add, let's go to the placeholder definition. Sorry, I forgot one step here. So this is the detail. So let's add the detail one here and add the corresponding template. Come on, that's good. Control S and go. And the listing, the same thing. So this is the listing we're looking for. OK, add listing, perfect. And let's save that.